everyone, this is me, Dilnaz, and welcome to my vlog from Provinssi festival. It's the first musical festival that I'm ever going to, and let's see how it goes. So I'm currently in Seinäjoki. The musical festival is going to be for 3 days. I have this 3-day wristband and I'm going there because my boyfriend actually gifted me tickets and now he's working there and they have some lounge zone, so once we arrive there we're going to visit him. Now I'm walking towards S-Market. I'm going to get a scooter to get into the festival area because there's no other way for me to get there. The interesting fact is I don't know how to drive it whatsoever. Now I need to drive like 5 kilometers on it. It's going to be 20-30 minutes drive. Let's hope I'll get there safely. My outfit is pretty simple. I'm wearing a shirt because last weekend I got burned under the sun in Croatia. But the vlog from Croatia is already on my channel, so check it out. And if you're wondering who are the artists who are going to be there, you'll see. Like, I'm so excited about the artists that are going to be there. It's absolutely hot and I'm sweating. I went to Idea Park. It's like a shopping mall here. First of all, I met Jera's friend, Jonas. Now I'm in the bus, which goes exactly to the area for free. That's a miracle. We arrived. Now I'm crossing the road. It's not the place which Jera told me to go through, but okay. I'm already inside and I think I'm pretty close to Jera. My boyfriend should be somewhere near this place. Let's see. What I can say already now, a lot of people, very beautiful and really nice area. It's like in the nature, in the park. It's kind of refreshing. There is a small lake and I'm really close to the area where Jera is. She's somewhere there. I'm successfully here, even though I went through a completely different route than what Jera showed me yesterday. And now I'm in the line to get my hair braided. Let's go! So, I got my braids done. Now I will explore the area. Pretty interesting in the area because there are a lot of things and some of the things I don't even understand what they say, but now I'm going towards the main area. It's here. I guess this is some K18 area and then here is something else and the main stage. The merch was pretty cool, I guess, but they were selling sweatshirts and hoodies. I guess it's for the colder times, not for now. It's non-alcohol bar. So these are the prices. Now I'm in the food area. There are a lot of different things here. Let's see what I can find to eat. Oh my god, this is Hachapuri place. This place has a lot of customers in the line. Place with burritos also has quite a long line. I would say that 2 places near the exit have the most of the customers. One thing that really surprises me is that it's so hot and people still wear black. I would say at least 30% of people are wearing something black. Even stuff. I would have made stuff clothing white because it's so hot. This is really cool and cute. I would say teenagers, they are volunteering or maybe they are paid, I don't know, here to take out the trash from the area so that it's clean. Look at this place. It's dancing place, maybe even couple dancing. It's so sunny, but here is gelato place and there is waffles place. That's so cute. So I came to this place where you can make your custom jewelry, like earrings. And for some reason I'm without earrings today, so I will make something. Now I'm going to make my own earrings. Amazing! I just made my custom earrings from Provinssi. I think they're cute. In my opinion, they're so Finnish, but also so me, like this. I'm going to wait for my flower crown. I hope I can use it tomorrow as well. That's why I got it. And I can't wait to see Jere and his reaction. I think he will be shocked. So now I'm officially suomalainen nainen, a Finnish woman. I have flowers here. I have some Finnish earrings. And now I'm going to my Finnish boyfriend. In the sun it looks so much better. How do you feel?
I feel good. I want something to drink.
Shit on your side. We took some interesting food.
Rapulan estäjä.
Half an hour until we see Måneskin.